guys, it's me Aubrey from Fun and Crazy Kids. And today I thought I should bring you guys with me for a little vlog after school. Cause I thought you guys would like that. So I just came back from school and I put on some exercise clothes because I exercise at the end of the day. So yeah, before I get this video started, give this video a like and subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? I hope so. Alrighty, let's get to it. I gotta firstly pick out my clothes for tomorrow. So we better get to it. Alrighty, there's my ring light. It looks like, I don't even know what it looks like. It looks like an angel is coming down from above. Anyways, here is my closet. As you guys saw before on the other video, like the Coraline video. I shouldn't even say her name. Anyways, that video, I color-coded all of my clothes because I am psycho like that. Anyways, let's look through all the clothes to see what I should wear. So guys, I need you guys to tell me your opinions. Should I wear blue, purple, green, yellow, orange, red, black, white, brown, rainbow? I need you guys to tell me on our social medias, which is Fun and Crazy Kids on Instagram and Fun and Crazy Kids on TikTok. Go check those out and comment down below. Comment down below. Comment on them what color I should wear to school. Just say, Aubrey, you should wear this color to school. Aubrey, you should wear blue or something like that. I would love to hear from you guys because I'm very indecisive when it comes to clothes. Very. I can never decide what to wear. But we have to today. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my horrible transition skills. They literally suck. Anyways, I picked out this really pretty red turtleneck and blue dress. So, did you hear that? First of all, my mom's calling me, but you heard that knock, right? So I think I forgot and failed to mention that I am home alone at this very moment. My parents and little brother went to go see land because we want to buy some land, and I stayed here so I could film this video for you guys. Tell me why there is knocking on the door while I am home alone. This is terrifying. I'm scared. Should I go check it out? I don't know if I should check it out. Maybe if I just ignore it, then maybe it'll be like the mailman and he'll just leave, okay? Never answer the door if you're home alone. Never! Never answer the door anyways. Let your parent answer the door. So yeah. I think I'm gonna ignore the knock on the door because if somebody keeps knocking, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's just hope that that doesn't happen. It's probably gonna happen. Oh no, okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna go make my lunch now and hope that somebody doesn't knock on the door and give me a heart attack. Let's go. There's Nona. She's not even supposed to be on the couch. Oh, guys, you gotta give this video a like and subscribe for Lola. She wants it. I'm the only one who ever lets her on the couch. Oh, your breath stinks. Yeah, she isn't allowed on the couch because she stinks. But I let her on the couch anyways. Because oh yeah, because you deserve it. Guys, smash that like button for Lola. Oh, you're so cute. You're literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. I cannot deal with it anymore. Thank you. Okay, we gotta get to the lunch. I've got Lola slobber all over my face. And she knows I'm in here with the food and she wants a treat. Shall we give her a treat, guys? Shall we give her a treat? Let's give her a treat. She knows, so she really likes these tortilla chips. Look at her, she loves them. Look, she's already sitting. Oh, no! You have to sit, good girl. Look at that fatty, oh! Okay, for lunch, I'm gonna bring one of my protein chips. I'm gonna bring ranch protein chips, a caramel rice cake, a sandwich, fruit, and vegetables. So let me show you guys. Alrighty, it's all packed. I just gotta zip it up and put it in the fridge. And then, are you kidding me? Please tell me you hear that knocking too. Lola's going over there. She hears it. Do you hear that knocking? What is it, Lola? Who is knocking on my door like that? There's a window over there. I'm gonna go look at it. Guys, in 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna do this. Are you ready? 3. Oh, Lola, no, she's watching me. 2, 1. There's nobody. What? Wait. Hold on. Why is there knocking and there's nobody at the door? You hear it too, don't you, Lola? You hear it too! She hears it. Lola, what is it? What is it? Show me. Who's at the door? What? Okay, we gotta go research. Okay. Research time, research. Okay, well, I don't even know I'm gonna research. I think I'm gonna look up why is my dog barking when nothing is there and see what comes up. I don't know what could come up. Okay. Why is my dog barking when nothing is there? I'm scared to see what's gonna come up. Guys, before it comes up, I want to let you guys know, what was that noise? I want to let you guys know that we have a cameo, which is pretty much a personalized message that you can book from me, and I will either say happy birthday, just a hello, anything you want. I will just say it to you. So make sure to go on Cameo and look up Aubrey and Fun and Crazy Kids, and you can book your very own cameo with us. Okay, dogs bark for a variety of reasons, and some breeds are bred to bark. Huh. Your dog may be seeking your attention, greeting you, raising an alarm, or establishing / defending territory. Who is she raising an alarm and defending territory for? Or seeking my attention? Wait. Hold on. Dogs can see like ghosts, can't they? That explains it. That explains the knocking. Why I looked out the window, the knocking didn't stop. And... What? Why is there a ghost? Why is there... You've got to be kidding me. There's a ghost? There is a... I can't do this. Okay guys, I've come to my senses and I need to figure out what to do. I need to figure out and to find out if this is actually a real ghost at my house. For whatever reason, we didn't even go anywhere today. I stayed at my house and I was vlogging and I was like, nothing bad is gonna happen. And yet there's a ghost. Okay, I found something. Oh, it's not loading, but it's how to tell if your house is haunted and an expert. So, slamming doors, strange shadows, mysterious whispers. So does it count if the strange shadows are like villains? And if the slamming doors are also villains? And the mysterious whispers are also villains? Ah! Okay. What was that? Why did the door just creak? Oh, Mom.
What?
Okay, I'm so glad you're back.
I'm eating.
She just came back. Guess what? So, the house is haunted. The doors are slamming.
Wait, you're going so fast. Slow down. What are you talking about?
So, I started the video. Here, let me move the camera.
Okay.
I started the video. The fans can even say I started it by doing a vlog of after school, what I do.
You guys, is she just teasing? And you're trying to scare me.
You can go through the footage. You can go through the footage.
Okay, so you were doing a vlog with the fans.
Yes, and I kept hearing knocking at the door, and I just thought, oh, maybe it's a mailman. And then I went, and I gave Lola a treat, and then I heard the knocking again, and then I went to look out the window, and nothing was there while I kept hearing the knocking.
That sounds kind of suspicious.
And then I went to my room, and in the video, you can hear a door creak open, but nobody was home.
Okay. Which part? I'm gonna rewind it and see if I can. I'm gonna rewind it.
Okay, I'm gonna show her the footage and we'll.
Okay, she was not lying.
See?
We watched the footage and there was like knocking.
See? And I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy.
Wait a second. Aubrey.
What?
The tea set that I just bought from the estate sale. You think it could be that?
I mean, what else could it be?
You think so?
This looks pretty old and haunted.
It is like an old. I haven't had a chance to clean it yet.
Cleaning up the spirits. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. What are we supposed to, what are we supposed to do with a haunted tea set? Okay, so.
Guys, what's here?
Caleb.
Talking.
Caleb, there is a ghost in our house and we think it came from this tea
Let me
set.
see.
Is there a ghost?
Aubrey said there's a ghost in the house.
Yeah.
I hope it ain't a genie.
He said yes! A genie?
Wait, did you see a ghost?
A genie when you rub a lamp.
Yes.
This does look like one of those lamp
Wait.
things, too.
Don't rub
Caleb, did you see a ghost?
Yes.
What? Okay, are you kidding me right
I'm just kidding. I saw a genie though. I saw
What?
a genie.
now? What? What are you? A genie?
There's a
Please tell me you're joking.
I'm not joking.
Oh no.
Okay, are you literally kidding me right now?
I'm not.
There's a genie loose in our house.
Yes.
Is he a nice or a mean genie?
Let me see.
How do you just know?
He's a mad genie.
You heard it.
What was that?
That's not a genie. Genies can't knock unless you rub on the lamp.
I'm rubbing on the
What was
lamp.
that?
Okay guys, so apparently there's a ghost in our house and probably a genie. So if you guys want to figure more out about this ghost journey or genie journey that's living in our house, I don't know how long it's been living here, but it's probably been a while. Make sure to tune in for our next videos because it's gonna get crazy. I just know it. Give this video a like and subscribe. Peace out. Oh, okay.